Ever wondered what the world would look like if electric cars weren't a mainstream option? Imagine gas stations dominating the landscape, anxieties about dwindling oil reserves a constant worry. Well, buckle up, because that reality was a hair's breadth away. Today, we're diving into a pivotal moment in history, one where Tesla, the company spearheading the electric vehicle revolution, almost vanished entirely. That's right, Elon Musk, the visionary leader synonymous with electric cars, nearly sold Tesla. Let's rewind to 2013. Tesla was a fledgling company, struggling to gain traction. The Model S, their flagship sedan, was riddled with production issues, deliveries were delayed, and the financial situation was precarious, to say the least. Running a car company is no easy feat, and Tesla, still finding its footing, was on the brink. Elon Musk, the relentless entrepreneur he is, wasn't about to give up. He knew Tesla had the potential to revolutionize transportation, but they desperately needed a lifeline. Enter Google, the tech giant synonymous with innovation. At the time, Google was toying with the idea of self-driving cars, a technology perfectly aligned with Tesla's expertise in electric vehicles. Musk, ever the strategist, saw an opportunity. What followed were a series of high-stakes negotiations. Musk approached Larry Page, the co-founder of Google, with a proposition: Google buys Tesla. There were, however, some crucial conditions. First, Musk wouldn't relinquish control. He envisioned Tesla remaining an independent entity, even under Google's umbrella. Second, Tesla's core mission, to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, had to be preserved. According to reports, Larry Page was receptive. The idea of Google acquiring a company at the forefront of electric vehicle technology held immense potential. Self-driving cars were still in their nascent stage, and Tesla's expertise could be a game-changer. Talks progressed, the prospect of a Google-Tesla merger becoming a very real possibility. But then, fate intervened. Just as things were getting serious, Tesla experienced a much-needed turnaround. Production issues with the Model S began to iron out, deliveries picked up, and sales figures started showing a positive trend. The company, on the verge of collapse, was starting to breathe again. With this newfound momentum, Tesla negotiations with Google stalled. The urgency to sell had significantly diminished. Looking back, it's a fascinating what-if scenario. A Google-Tesla merger could have fundamentally altered the landscape of electric vehicles. Google's vast resources and technological prowess could have accelerated Tesla's growth, potentially bringing electric cars to the mainstream much sooner. On the other hand, there's a chance Tesla's unique culture and Musk's visionary leadership might have been diluted under Google's ownership. Ultimately, the deal never materialized. Tesla persevered, the electric car revolution gained steam, and today, it's a force to be reckoned with. Elon Musk's gamble on Tesla's future paid off in a spectacular fashion. The company he envisioned is not only a leader in electric vehicles but is also pushing boundaries in sustainable energy solutions through its solar panel and battery storage divisions. So, there you have it. The near-death experience of Tesla and the potential Google takeover that never was. This story serves as a reminder of the precarious nature of startups, the importance of resilience in the face of adversity, and the power of believing in your vision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.